Hey everyone, welcome back to Glow Mode. If your skin has been looking tired, dull, or just meh, this is your sign to change that, for real. We're talking about how to get that smooth, shiny glass skin glow. The kind of skin that makes people stop and say, "Yo, what are you using on your face?" Here's the truth. You don't need a 10-step Korean skincare routine. You don't need expensive serums or celebrity facials. You just need smart habits, affordable ingredients, and a little bit of daily effort. So in this video, I'm giving you 15 realistic glow-up tips to make your skin clearer, smoother, and glowing like glass, even if you're on a budget. Let's go. 1. Clear skin, but don't overdo it. Wash your face twice a day. Once in the morning to start fresh. Once at night to clean off dirt, oil, and pollution. Use a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type, oily, dry, or combo. Avoid using harsh soaps or overwashing. Too much cleansing can remove your skin's natural oils. That leads to dryness, irritation, and breakouts. Clean skin is important, but the goal is fresh, not flaky. 2. Double cleanse, especially if you use sunscreen or makeup. If you wear sunscreen, which you should, or makeup, you need to double cleanse at night. Start with an oil-based cleanser or micellar water. This breaks down sunscreen, oil, and dirt. Then use your regular face wash to clean your skin fully. This removes everything that blocks your pores and gives you that dull look. It's a small step, but it makes a huge difference. 3. Exfoliate 2-3 times a week, but be gentle. Exfoliating removes dead skin cells sitting on top of your face. When those cells build up, your skin looks rough, dry, and lifeless. Use a chemical exfoliant like glycolic acid, lactic acid, or salicylic acid. These dissolve dead cells gently. No scrubbing needed. Avoid harsh scrubs with big particles. They can damage your skin barrier and cause micro tears. Stick to 2-3 times a week max. Your skin should feel smooth, not raw. 4. Hydrate like it's your full-time job. Glow starts from within. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. If you're sweating a lot or live in a hot climate, drink more. Use a moisturizer with hyaluronic acid or glycerin to trap moisture on your skin. These ingredients pull water into your skin and keep it plump. Bonus tip: keep a hydrating mist or rose water spray with you during the day. Spritz it when your skin feels dry or tight. Hydrated skin equals glowing skin. 5. Apply products on damp skin. This one is a secret most people miss. After you wash your face, don't let it dry completely. Apply your serum and moisturizer on slightly damp skin. Why? Damp skin absorbs products better. It helps lock in the moisture and makes your products work harder. Try it once and you'll feel the difference. 6. Sunscreen. No excuses, no skipping. UV rays are the biggest reason for dullness, dark spots, and early wrinkle. Even if it's cloudy. Even if you're indoors. Use a sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher every single day. Find a lightweight formula that doesn't clog your pores. This is your anti-aging and anti-dullness shield. And yes, reapply if you're out for more than 2 to 3 hours. 7. Use a vitamin C serum in the morning. Vitamin C is like a brightening balm for your face. It helps fade dark spots, even out your skin tone, and protect from pollution. Use a few drops every morning after cleansing and before sunscreen. It works best when used in the daytime. You'll start noticing a glow in 2 to 3 weeks of consistent use. 8. Do face yoga or massage for 5 minutes. Skincare is not just what you put on your face. It's what you do with your hands too. Massage your face while applying moisturizer or oil. Use gentle upward motions. It boosts blood flow, reduces puffiness, and gives your face a natural lift. Want to take it to the next level? Try ice rolling in the morning. It tightens your skin instantly and gives a fresh glow. 9. Use a humidifier at night. Game changer for dry skin. If you sleep in an air-conditioned room or live in a dry area, your skin loses moisture overnight. Use a small humidifier in your room while you sleep. It adds moisture back into the air and your skin. You'll wake up with skin that feels softer and more hydrated. No flaky patches, no tightness. 10. Get your beauty sleep. Seriously. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of solid sleep every night. Lack of sleep equals dullness, eye bags, breakouts, and uneven tone. Keep your phone away, lower the lights, and try sleeping on a clean pillowcase. Want bonus points? Use a silk or satin pillowcase. It's gentle on your skin and prevents friction. 11. Eat the right foods for a natural glow. You can't glow if your diet is trash. Eat more. Fruits like oranges, berries, papaya, leafy greens like spinach and kale, nuts, seeds, and avocados. They give you healthy fats. Cut down on sugar, fried food, and junk. These cause inflammation and can lead to acne. You don't need a perfect diet. Just make better choices every day. 12. Use a night treatment like retinol or niacinamide. At night, your skin goes into repair mode. That's the best time to use active ingredient. Try retinol, great for acne and anti-aging, or niacinamide, brightens, calms, and shrinks pores. Start slow, 2 to 3 times a week if you're new. Always moisturize after, and don't forget sunscreen in the morning. These actives are powerful, but they take time. Consistency is everything. 13. Do a face mask 1-2 times a week. Face masks are not just for fun, they actually help. Pick one that suits your skin type. Oily skin? Use a clay mask to absorb oil and clear pores. Dry skin? Use hydrating masks with aloe vera, honey, or hyaluronic acid. Dull skin? Try brightening masks with turmeric, vitamin C, or licorice. Do this once or twice a week. It's like a mini spa day at home. 14. Don't forget your lips and eyes. Your lips and under-eye skin are thin and need extra care. Use a hydrating lip balm throughout the day, especially before bed. For your eyes, try an eye cream with caffeine or peptides. It helps reduce puffiness and fine lines. These small areas make a big difference in how fresh your face looks. 15. Manage stress or it shows on your face. Stress doesn't just mess with your mood, it messes with your skin. It can trigger acne, redness, dullness, and even make your skin more sensitive. Take 10 minutes every day to breathe deeply. Go for a walk or journal. Even listening to music or doing something fun helps. Calm mind, a calm skin. And there you go. 15 simple but powerful tips to get that glowing, glassy skin. Let's do a quick recap. Cleanse smart. Double cleanse if needed. Exfoliate gently. Hydrate inside and out. Apply on damp skin. Never skip sunscreen. Massage or ice roll daily. Use a humidifier. Sleep like royalty. Eat clean. Use night actives like retinol. Do weekly masks. Care for lips and eyes. Keep your stress levels low. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. A little effort every day adds up. So if you found this helpful, smash that like button. Comment below your favorite tip, or let me know what worked for your skin. And if you're serious about leveling up your glow, hit subscribe and tap the bell. This is Glow Mode.